working, I guess.
Yeah. Bro looks like an artist. Actually, I'll do this one.
I'm not an artist, you know, it will look good.
It's fabulous.
What do you think it is?
I thought you sort of sketch over the design there.
I want to make my own thing.
Oh. Bro's making an MS-80.
These are the wheels, I guess. Okay.
It's an MS-80.
It's not an MS-80. I'm just get a reference photo quickly so I know what I'm doing. I swear to God, I feel so fucking embarrassed right now, you know. I'm literally just sitting here just attempting to draw a train. Oh my God. Why can't you do it? A good reference picture. Like, oh my God. Come on, I need a good picture. Yeah. This will do, I guess. That's fine. You can keep filming, I guess.
Yep.
There's like a cat door right there.
There's gonna be like a 4-minute video of this, right?
Probably. A vent right there.
You're doing great, buddy.
It looks nothing like it.
You're doing brilliantly.
There's a door right there. Yeah, like slide door thingy. Angry Western Railway. That's my train.
Wow.
Just zoom it out.
Well done.
Wait, does it look like it? I mean,
Yeah, kinda. Yeah. Sure. Well done, buddy.
it's
I'm stopping recording now.